Did you know that rice water is packed with an amino acid that replaces hair? And hibiscus is a natural hair growth boosting. And when you combine them with honey and infusing oils, the results are another shot of amazing. Stick around to see how to make this natural, rich mask and learn why your head will absolutely love it. This hair mask is going to be amazing. This hair mask is going to be amazing for you, so stay tuned. Hello my lovely people, how are you all doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing an incredible DIY hair mask that combines two powerhouse ingredients, rice and hibiscus, for strong, healthy and shining hair. If you have been struggling with dryness, breakages or dullness, this recipe is a game changer. So I'm using rice. Rice is also rice. It contains an amino acid that replace and hair strands. It also having vitamin B1, vitamin B3, and vitamin B5. So it's also encouraging healthy hair growth and providing scalp healthy. So using, whether you are using rice water or rice mask, all is good to go. And hibiscus also is stimulating hair growth and preventing hair fall. So using all these natural ingredients, you can never use the natural ingredients for your hair and you are still going to be complaining maybe your head is not growing unless you are not using it in the proper way. How am I going to say the proper way? Maybe the ingredients, you can use the ingredients, no problem, but the oil, I will advise everybody, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair this 2025, I will advise you to check very well to know your hair type. If you want me to make a video, actually I have a video about a short video, you can check it to see how to check your hair type, because that's not the reason why I'm here today. So I'm not going to talk about how to check your hair type. So you have to check your hair type to know your hair type, and also when you know your hair type, you will know the right oil that you are going to do what you will use for your hair to grow your hair in this 2025. If you are not using the right oil for your hair, maybe let's say you have a high prostate hair and you just go and using maybe low prostate hair oils, you know, it's something that I don't know, it will help, but not like you are using your own oils. Okay, so or you have, for example, okay, high prostate hair, no problem for that one you can use. It's just look like all the oils, the high prostate hair you can use and put inside, but low prostate hair you cannot put any oil, anyhow oil to the low prostate hair. So if you imagine you have a low prostate hair and you went and take coconut oil, putting inside your head, thinking that you are trying to grow your hair, not knowing that you are trying to put your hair back. Or let's say you have low prostate hair, you just went and take shea butter because you see people are making shea butter or using shea butter their hair. You also went and take shea butter, started rubbing it in your head. Do you think that your hair will grow? No, your hair is not going to grow. Where your hair it is, that is where your hair is going to be continually is not going to grow, because you are not using the right oil and you are not using the proper way. So guys, if you want to see that, like if you want to know that if you have a low prostate hair and you want to use shea butter, because all the low prostate hair people, you know, it's good for you to use the avocado butter or mango butter. Those are good. Or even the avocado, maybe virgin oils also are very nice for low prostate hair. So now this thing I'm making it for my daughter, so for my daughter and I. So if she did it, if I make it for my daughter, but it's look like it will not be enough for both of us. So anyway, I'm going to use it for my daughter because I opened her hair today, so I'm going to use this hair mask for her. And also mind you guys, I'm going to, when you make your hair mask like this, it's not like I'm just going to take it, let it get cool cool and I started putting it inside my daughter head. No, I will still have things to do because I'm going to add my infusing oils inside, because these things, when you are doing it, it's good for you to add infusing oil. So if you want to see which type of infusing oil that I'm going to use, the only thing is, as I told you guys, if you know your hair type, all the natural ingredients you can use to infuse your oil. Okay, so look at how smooth it is. What did I use? That is rice and my hibiscus. Okay, I use rice and my hibiscus. So after, actually the rice, normally you can cook it before you do what, before you strain it, but today I didn't do it that way. I do it, I blended the rough rice, okay, the uncooked one, because I put it on the water like for like, is it, I don't know, is it up to 3 hours, and I remove it, I blended it, and I add my hibiscus inside and blended it and strain it before I put it on fire. When I was putting, maybe you guys can see that I was putting something inside. Well, you can put maybe cornstarch inside when you are going to boil it small. You can add cornstarch inside, or if you have rice powder also, you can still add rice powder inside. So this thing is for my daughter. It will not be enough for both of us, so I'm going to use it for my daughter, and she's having low porosity hair. So after everything this way, I'll add my infusing oil, because this thing, and also I'll have some another nice ingredients to support my daughter, so that she can eat it she can eat it more. She like eating hair mask. So when I'm adding it, I always add honey inside, so that to make it more delicious for her. Anyway, I'm adding my infusing oil. The infusing oil, that one I say I use sunflower. I can use sunflower to make it, because of her head is low porosity hair. So by the ingredients, no problem, you can use any natural ingredients to infuse your oil. It's only the oil that you have to know, the oil that you have to use to infuse that for your low porosity hair, or your high porosity hair, or your medium porosity hair. So now after adding my infusing oil, I added my essential oil. Now the next essential oil is lavender. I'm adding my lavender essential oil. So guys, after adding my lavender essential oil, actually, do you think that that is all? No, I added honey also, because it's all is helping and making it easier to manage your hair. Is managing your hair very easy, also helping the hair to be growing healthy, and also shining and very soft. Actually, when you add honey to your hair mask, or add it to your any of your treatments, you can never regret it, because like, especially if you have stubborn hair, guys, if you have stubborn hair, I'll advise you, anything that you are going to do with your hair, try to be adding honey inside. It will help you to manage your hair very well. So now I added my honey. I just use this teaspoon to put 2 inside, because like I don't want to go back to kitchen again. So I use my teaspoon, just put 2 teaspoons inside. 2 teaspoons is okay. That's 1 tablespoon. So after adding my honey inside, now you can see that I'm mixing everything. I'm trying to make everything get more smooth. You can see how, oh my god, you can see how the face is looking. It's very nice. This mask, I cannot wait to see the benefit from it for my daughter hair. Actually, I'm been using it. I know that it's having a benefit. It's only that her head is dry, because of I plan to put inside. So you can see the hair is dry. So now this is my hair mask. Let us see whether she will allow me, because sometimes my daughter, she may allow me to do it, and sometimes also she will not allow me. She will start making and she started disturbing me, telling me I shouldn't put inside. Okay guys, after when you are going to make your hair mask, when the head is dry, try not to just put your hair mask inside like that. Try to use your hydrating spray to hydrate your hair, or you can use water, normal water, to hydrate your hair. But I'll only advise you try to make sure that your head is clean. Don't use it inside your dirty. When your head is dirty, don't use hair mask, because you will not get the benefit that you want. Always try to clean your hair. Wash your hair with shampoo and your conditioner before using your hair mask. Even using your hair mask, if you want, you cannot use what's the name, shampoo, or yeah, you will not use shampoo again. You can just use water to rinse it and add your your conditioner and come out, or you can just rinse it even without adding conditioner again, no problem. So that's why it's good for you to wash your hair, so that the treatment also, this one is also is a treatment for you, so that it will help you to penetrate your hair very well, so that you can see the benefit, the electricity from your head, how the head is going. You see my daughter hair. Actually, these days I'm also learning something, or I'm doing something. I don't want to, almost like 2 months going now, I've not been using comb for my daughter hair when I'm doing, but I only use comb after I'm washing her head, or after washing it. So that's the place that I'm using comb. But remove it and comb it, or doing the hair mask, I'm also trying to be using my finger, to be making finger detangle. But I don't know, guys, especially those who know how to do it very well, give me a tips. Okay, you people should give me a tips about how I can do it. But sometimes when I'm just looking, also it's making me more happy, because I can see that my daughter hair, there's more changes is coming for my daughter hair. Seriously, I'm seeing more changes from my daughter hair. That's why I understand that yes, my things, my products, oh, this is Queen Padede product, yeah, it's working. Seriously, it's working for me, because I was just thinking, if this thing is working for me and it's not working for my daughter, how am I going to do? But now I understand that everything is working for me. That's why I told you guys that consistency is the key. When you are doing something, you have to be doing it in consistency, because you want your hair to grow. So don't come today, you massage your hair or you hydrate your hair today and leave it, unless maybe 1 week later you hydrate again, or maybe 2 weeks later, or 1 month later. No, that one you may not get any beneficial for your head. But when you are doing it consistency, when I say consistency, at least even if you cannot do it 3 times in a week, but you can have time to do it. Maybe, massaging your scalp 2 times in a week, it will be good. The best time, every time, that is the best time. Anytime that when you are free, the time that you are free, that's the time that you can be doing. But I heard some people saying that night is good, but for me, it's not like I'm massaging my head in the night, because what time that I'm free, that is the time that I'm massaging. But I only make sure that every day I'll massage my daughter hair and massage my also hair. So that's what I'm doing. So you also can start doing it now if you really want to grow your hair. This 2025, let us grow our hair together. Even if you are not ready to grow your hair, then follow me and my daughter. Okay, just follow our page and see how I'm going to be growing, because princess hair, I want to be showing it to you people until the end of this year, this 2025, so that you guys will see how long that our head will go. Okay, so that we can compare to see whether 2024, because I started growing it, that was 2024. So let's say 4 months ago, I started doing things for her head, but I can see changes now. Now I know this child, she's not going to allow this thing to stay. She will remove it. She will not allow it. Anyway, guys, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscriber, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I'm trying to check out her, to let her stop eating. You guys can see that when I was saying something, like she just putting the hand inside her mouth and be eating, licking the hand, like look this guy. So sometimes when I see her doing things like this, it's making me more happy. So that's why I cannot do. I like her onion also putting in my hair, but I cannot put onion inside her head, and also I cannot put neem inside her head. Guys, thanks for watching.